So I want to talk about negation in French, okay? You probably have learned a phrase, and this is stuff that they may not teach you in sort of a formal French class, because in a formal French class, often they don't like to admit certain things that are really the reality in spoken French every day. For example, the way that negation works. So you may know a phrase like je mange. I eat, je mange, okay? So to make it negative, I don't eat. Formally, they would teach you that you have to write je ne mange pas, okay? I don't eat. What they may not tell you is that you, in informal, everyday French, not even just informal, almost all everyday French, you do not put this ne, okay? When you are speaking French on the street, in a restaurant, even in the workplace, unless you're doing something very formal like giving a presidential address, you do not need to put the ne. You can say je mange pas, like je mange pas de la viande. Viande, meat. I don't eat meat, something like that. Okay. So what is this ne? What is it doing? Why do we not need it? Why do we have this pas? What are these words? Okay. So originally, back in the day, coming from Latin, you would just have had the ne. Originally, it was like io non mangio, okay, like it is in Italian today, non mangio, non mangio. So originally, it was like this, and this pas originally meant it was not a negator. Originally, it meant a step, okay, pas. Like a related English word is pace, like a pace. Take one pace, a step, okay? Okay? And it was used in the same way that you use the phrase in English at all, or a bit. Like you could say, I don't eat a bit. I don't eat one step, you know? I don't eat any at all, like even a tiny bit. So I don't eat one step, I don't eat one bit. You also see other words used in this way in French in more literary context, like point. Like I don't eat a point. It means the same thing. You can use this as a negator, the same way you use pas. Okay, but because this pas became so common and became so standard as a sign of the negative, used this way, it stopped losing its meaning as an intensifier, and it became obligatory in order to negate. Okay, so it became so obligatory that this first ne actually became redundant, and the result is that now, in modern French, people don't even use the ne half the time. And you could say je mange pas, and it is perfectly understood. It's not considered like street slang, whatever. It's totally standard and normal to say je mange pas. Like je mange pas là, I don't eat over there. Like, je mange pas le matin, I don't eat during the morning. Okay? Let me know if that makes sense or not.